feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid to change. The pictures that I framed remind me of when the skies were blue. Chapter 32 is all just me and you, but the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings, but I'm running from them too. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm sinking. I take a hit when I'm going out swinging. It's all just inevitable. Wake up and I'm already old. I'm doing my best, but where I'm going next is anybody's guess. Time, tell me where it goes. No, nobody knows. Walking down a road just to walk away. They say you gotta learn from mistakes, but I've been pumping the brakes. Can I get a little breather here? Or just whatever it takes. It's getting harder to shake. It's like I'm running a race. So God, someone get me out of this place. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm sinking. I take a hit when I'm going out swinging. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm sinking. I take a hit when I'm going out swinging. It's all just inevitable. Wake up and I'm already old. I'm doing my best, but where I'm going next is anybody's guess. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings, but I'm running from them too.
Hey guys, last day of face-to-face classes for me. Kasi hindi ako mag-a-attend ng classes next week because tapos ko na yung MS. And we're on the way. We're gonna buy Jollibee muna coffee para maiba naman. Kasi RSVP yung subject natin for today. And pag RSVP, kailangan natin coffee. So, ayun. It's already 7:38. Matagal yung pinuno yung jeep. Kaya, 8 pa naman yung klase. Pero usually kasi nakakarating ako dito 7 AM. Pero may time pa kumuna. Pero ayun. We'll buy some ice mocha first. Let's go! Okay guys. So, super dami ng tao sa Jollibee. Kaya, malilate. Feeling ko malilate ako kapag nag-stay pa. Nag-antay pa ako. Kaya, ayun, 7-Eleven na lang. Yung coffee and can. And, we're going off sa Sumpang Hagdan ng Rio, Pampanga. Ayun na. So na lang. Ayan.
Also 500, what will be your max? Under the old rule, your max is 1,000,000 pesos. But under the current rule, what is your max? It should be 1,000,000 plus 1,000,000, it will be 2,000,000 pesos. So starting March 15, 2025, what is the amount of our insured deposit? 1,000,000 pesos. Now, under single accounts, you should add
Hey guys, so I've been stuck sa house for almost 2 weeks already. Sa bahay lang ako mag-review. Tapos, I started studying kaninang 5:30 a.m. and lumabas lang ako sa kwarto ng mga 5:30 p.m. na. So, with breaks of course, 12 hours akong nag-i-study. Tapos medyo parang pangit na lang pakiramdam ko, kaya I decided to go out. Kasi pagkakita ko sa labas, medyo orange yung sky. So, ayun. But pagkaalis ko sa bahay, tingnan nyo naman, biglang kumulimlim. Tapos meron pang kidlat. Pero I think hindi matutuloy yung ulan. Dahil, ayan, parang medyo nababawasan yung pagkulimlim niya. Pero may pa rin, kidlat or something. So, ayun, mag-walk around lang ako and I think I'll buy some stuff, some foods kung ano makita.
Hey guys! So, it's 23 days before the board exam. Today is October 1. And, ayan, nasa nasa recall phase na ako. Except sa 4 because I still have 3 topics to finish. Kaya ayun, it's already 7:41 a.m. And galing kasi nag-sleep lang kasi ako kaninang afternoon dahil parang super iba yung pakiramdam ko. And also, pagkagising ko, nag-novena ako. And then, ayun, parang bumalik yung energy ko. So, ayan, nag-aaral ako ulit ngayon. My goal is to study until 12 midnight para naman may matapos ako. Kasi nga, 23 days na lang. And, ayun, kinakabahan ako, alam niyo yun. Parang, ang daming negative thoughts na pumapasok sa utak ko. Pero, nilalabanan ko siya. Kasi nakakasira yon. And, may times na parang hindi ko na kayang mag-study, mag-review. Pero, nilalabanan din natin kasi, you know, our goal is to is to pass the sport exam. Lalo na guys, tapos na nilang ni-renovate yung PICC. So, please, taking this year sa new PICC. Cutie, please. Pretty, please. So, ayun. By the way, after ko nagsimba, bumili ako ng snacks para, ayun. Kasi minsan nagugutom ako pang habang nagre-review, ganyan. And I also got an ice cream. So, ayun. Okay, back to studying. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?